ComfyUI video script. One tool imagine video, audio, AI generation, completely free. Act 1. The hook. If you are an active professional using AI in your workflow, you are probably juggling subscriptions. One tool for images, another for video, a third for audio. Each with its own interface, its own limit, its own monthly bill, triggering your budget. What if one few open source tools could replace all of them and give you more creative control than any of them even could? Meet a ComfyUI. Act to the problem. Here is the creative professional limit in 2025. You need AI imaging for client campaign, so you subscribe to Midjourney. Then you need motion graphics, Runway. Then you need a voice over or background score, Suno, or even labels. Before you know it, you spend $115 a month on the AI tool before you have invoicing a single client. And that is not the worst part. Even one of those tools put a silent on your creativity. Hit your generation limit and you wait. Want to combine the image generation with a video synthesis in one seamless pipeline. You can't because their tools don't talk to each other. You export, import, reformat, or re-upload, losing quality and time at every head-off. Creativity deserves a tool that works the way their imagination doesn't. Through the connector Animate, that tool exists and is completely free. Let's try the solution. ComfyUI is a free open source AI generation platform built around a not-based workflow system. Think of it as a visual program environment for AI creativity, where image, video, and audio generation are all connected in one and feed covers. But forget the technical description for a second. Here's what it actually means for you as a creator. Imagine generation, photorealistic photography, the concept art, illustration, product mockups, and other texture. We then use Stable Diffusion, FLUX, and dozens of other cutting-edge models, or running locally on your own GPU. Video, animate, you imagined, generate a cinematic motion sequence, create smooth camera movements, and produce short-form video content using models like AnimateDiff, Wind, and SVD directly inside some workflow. Audio generate background music, sound effects, and ambient soundscape to complete your visual world, all within the same headland, without switching app. Imagine to video to audio, one thought, one workflow, 0 subscription fees. You hardwire your creativity, your output out limit. Act 4. The demo. Let me walk you through what a real creativity workflow looks like inside the ComfyUI. I start with a test promote node. I want to create a campaign visual, a full structured fashion shot. Add a old style node in Tokyo 3 at night. I connect my promote to a full model loader, running through a sample with my preferred settings. CFG scale, step resolution, and paper the output to the preview node. Hit generate. Now, without leaving ComfyUI, without importing anything, I connect the data image directly into the AnimateDiff node. I want subtle motion, hard movement, a slow camera pullback, node lining flickering, semi-motion string from human code, and hit generate again. The same image now alive, a 30-second cinematic clip. Wait for Instagram Reels, a client presentation, or a brand campaign. General in under 2 million on consumer GPU. And for the final touch, I add an audio generation node, a slowed atmosphere electronic score that matching the visual mode. ComfyUI paper the video and audio promote through together and output a complete scored video file. Imagine, video, audio, one workflow, start to finish, no subscriptions, no app switching, no creative compromise. Act 4. Social proof and ecosystem. ComfyUI has over the 61,000 GitHub start and was one of the top grooving open source projects of 2024. But what makes it truly powerful isn't just the core software, it is the community built around it. Through the ComfyUI Manager, you can install hundreds of community-built custom nodes with one click. Tools for face restorations are upscaling, background removal, logo training, promote expression, style transport, and more. The ecosystem grows every single week, contributed by thousands of developers and artists worldwide. The work being created by the ComfyUI community is generally world-class. Advertising campaigns, music video concept, game assist, farm pro visualizations, they are the hobbyist output. They are professional deliverable, produced at 0 software cost. Agden says the CTA. Here is how to get started. Go to the ComfyUI GitHub page, link in the description. If you are on a Windows viewer and navigate GPU, download the standalone package. Is pre-configured. No Python setup required. Extract double click, and ComfyUI open in your browser. For your first workflow, load the default image generation setup.ship with ComfyUI. Type promote and hit curl. Your first locally generated image will appear in under a minute. From there, export the model library on Civito and Hugging Face. Install ComfyUI Manager for custom nodes and start building workflow that would cost hundreds of dollars a month on subscriptors. If you are a creative professional, ComfyUI doesn't just save you money. He removed every ceiling that subscribe the AI tool put on your imagination. No generation limit, no style restrictions, no terms of service telling you what you can and can create. ComfyUI imagined, videoed, audioed your creativity, fully and listened, completely filled. Okay, done. Thanks for you watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.